Hey Super Cruisers, it's Kevin and Frank from Cruising with Wheels.
And welcome to today's Tuesday Tip of the Day.
Today's cruising tip is...
Book as many reservations as you can from home.
booked, bought, paid for, and done.
Book your dining reservations as soon as possible, as soon as they open up.
Book both specialty restaurants and the free main dining room.
Booking from home allows more free time on the ship.
You paid already from home, no big final ship bill for you.
Get the excursions you want before they sell out fast.
Theater show seating is limited. Book from home if needed.
Special ship tours? Get in on it. Book from home.
Discount prices can be yours if you book and buy items from home.
Pre-arrange a car service for your cruise transportation if needed.
Waiting till you're on board to plan your cruise can be a bad idea.
Be proactive. Get what you want, when you want, have the best cruise possible.
So don't be a lazy planner and then complain the cruise was boring.
And that's your Tuesday Tip of the Day.
We want to thank you for joining us today for another exciting episode. And remember to not just watch our videos, be a regular Cruising with Wheels family member by subscribing.
It's free!
Click that little button and that little bell next to it, and you'll get regular notifications of when our videos go live.
We're also on other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat.
So follow us there and like our videos. And remember to always
travel safe
and cruise often.